Traditional methods of measuring tank levels, such as ultrasonic, floats, or radar, can be prone to providing inaccurate readings caused by changes in temperature, fats, oils and grease, product reflectivity, condensation, flocculants, turbulence, foam, and dust. This is why Gill specially developed a conductive liquid level sensor for unparalleled accuracy and reliability in measuring water-based liquids with suspended solids. To provide the most reliable data possible, the sensor has a completely non-stick FEP coating, which enables it to have continuous direct contact with the tank's contents. And with it being IP66, IP68 and IP69K protection rated, without any moving parts, it is also almost entirely maintenance-free, making it incredibly attractive for anyone seeking minimal operating expenditure. The sensor is available in long lengths, which can be customized to order, and it comes with its own profiling software for you to map the shape of any regular or irregular shaped tanks for a true volumetric output. Low power consumption is a very desirable feature, and the Gill wastewater level sensor runs on a 6 to 32 volt supply, as well as offering a 4 to 20 milliamp output. You can also have wireless continual life monitoring with installation from Gill's global wireless service providers. Using the same reliability and accuracy developed for Formula One, the Gill wastewater level sensor is the gold standard in wastewater tank measurement.